Guys, in this video we are going to head out to a restaurant that we heard about with fantastic views called the Cliff House in Valencia, and just near Dumaguete here, and we're going to be riding the motorbike. Of course, we are protected against the coronavirus. Excuse me, the coronavirus. We'll see you over there. So here's the Cliff House. It's just this green gate. You hardly have any notification that you're here, and it's got a doorbell. It's only open till 5 o'clock. We just rang the doorbell and we're waiting for somebody. Okay, so she just opened up the gate for us, and we just parked and went inside. Just a very small place that you would never find unless you were here locally. Nice. So here. But this is overlooking no more swing. So we're heading over to our table. This is our table right here. Look at this view. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the menu here at the Cliff House. Okay, let's take a look. Now, it's a very small establishment, so you got all-day breakfast. Okay. You've got Cliff House favorites. Prices seem to be pretty reasonable, anywhere from the 200 to 300 peso range. We got burgers. We'll be checking out the food here shortly. Group meals. Small meals and snacks. Desserts. And we finally got our beverages. Okay, so that's the menu. Thank you. Okay. So this place is only open till 5 p.m. at night, but this is the view from our table here. She's hiding. Babe, can you put the Barbie mask on?
Why?
Because it's cute.
No.
Just
Stop it.
she's just a Barbie girl. There we go, Barbie.
Stop it.
Okay, she's not really shy, but look at this view from our table. I mean, it's worth it. Even if the food is just mediocre, this place is worth it. But yeah, look at the view. It's amazing. But only open till 5 o'clock. So you got to get here really for an early dinner or a late lunch or lunch or breakfast. Yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. The beauty of the Philippines.
Yeah.
Guys, say hello to our nice waitress. What's your name?
Mona.
Mona. Okay, Mona. Mona's first time on YouTube.
Yeah.
We're actually transferring tables. The Cliff House table became available, so we're going to go check that out. Ooh. Wow. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, so we're going to check out the view here. This is the view right at the edge of the table. Oh my gosh. Like a straight drop down. Just transferring our drinks over. This is our table here. It's just, it's quite steep. I mean, thank you. So again, just a aerial view kind of the table here, and just
Wow.
look at that, just a straight drop down, and it goes down for a long ways. Okay, this was 260 pesos. This is the pasta. You had a choice of prawns, chicken, or beef, and comes with bread, and it's supposed to be amazing. This is actually owned by a foreign guy and his girlfriend. Guys from California, and 260 pesos for this one meal. Good for two, so that's only like $5 US. So let's go ahead and eat. Just leaving the Cliff House here behind us. It's the green doors. You'll ring the doorbell to get in. The food was great, the view was great, prices were inexpensive. 2 pineapple juices and spaghetti good for two, 370 pesos, so about $7.50. So really good. So guys, make sure you subscribe, click the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.